It is a move that is set to raise many eyebrows. The IPS officer who was probing Dhoni's role in the IPL scandal has been put under suspension. SP Sampath Kumar had made startling revelations in the IPL scam and was probing Dhoni and several other top players linked to the IPL spot fixing scandal. In an exclusive interview to Headlines Today, Officer Sampath Kumar had said that Gurunath Mayappan had approached Dhoni and Raina at the bookie's insistence.
Yeah, this is a very much threatening and pressurizing point. That's the reason I wanted to go for some national investigation. The second crime number in which Ranga was fixed up. Ranga is not the target, but they were targeting me through Ranga. And the second time when he was taken in custody, further.
So in a way, you are being framed up.
Framed up in the sense they wanted me to not to probe further on this, because they came to know from Kiddy that he has said something to me.
There are reports that there is a chance that you can be arrested.
Yes. Such threat has come down from in the media. I have seen that also. This thing is an offshoot of the Madkal Committee reports proposition that in which I have asked for a national investigation. That will hamper the interest of the investigation being done.
Is it because we have talked about superiors not doing their job?
Not that superior. I'm not talking about the quality of an investigation. My point is when we can in Q branch crack down so many things, why they haven't done that? That's my question. So they haven't done it properly. When the FIR itself speaks of match fixing in the previous issues, they are not probing it.
Our correspondent Priyamada now joining us in the phone line. Priyamada, while the timing, of course, of Sampath Kumar's suspension is in fact being questioned, what a more pertinent question that is coming across right now? Remember, with CBCID Director General NP Singh had also claimed in the past that Sampath Kumar did not have the powers to get statements from the bookie as he was no way linked to the IPL inquiry. So them probing this and his suspension could actually be a fair deal.
Well, absolutely, but also we need to understand the circumstances and, as you rightly said, the timing of his suspension. Exactly 15 to 20 days after his deposition statement before the Madkal Committee was exposed by Headlines Today, after it was brought to the limelight, and that's when the initiation, for almost a year, CBCID has been claiming that they are initiating action against Sampath Kumar, but nothing had happened except for a transfer. He was transferred and placed as the Tiruchi Railway SP. But as soon as this report was signed by him was exposed, as soon as he started coming out and revealing details about this entire investigation, I would rather say the markup, I would rather say all the problems in the investigation, we see the action happening. In the last 10 to 15 days, 2 letters have been written by Narendra Pal Singh to Tamil Nadu DGP, after which the suspension has happened. And my sources in CBCID are saying that Sampath Kumar could also be arrested in connection with this IPL scam.
Priyamada, our correspondent, giving us that update. This is as the officer probing the IPL scandal. Remember, it has been suspended. The police sources say that Sampath Kumar was suspended because the CBCID police booked a case against him for collecting over 50 lakhs from one of the bookies, Mahinder Ranka, to free from the case. Kumar later surrendered 30 lakhs to the CBCID.